Hey everyone, I'm going to show you some tips on how to possibly fix your stock Porsche factory PCM navigation. Renless had a lot of things where you push 1, 4, and 8 at once, check some fuses, etc. So the first thing that I'm going to recommend you do is actually check your fuses down here. I have the Bow system. My number 25 fuse was blown, and I think that's like row, column D, like row 10. I'll put some links in the description of like what fuse is what, but it's gonna be a really good idea just to check all your fuses first and see if those are broken. Next order of business, there's a few links and already videos on how to remove your stock Porsche navigation. One thing that I do want to recommend is, they say to put a 5mm Allen key in here and just keep, and turn it. Unfortunately for me, I actually snapped this guy off. So all you really need is to turn it around maybe like 90 degrees. Once you feel some resistance, just stop. All it's really doing is pushing this tab down. So when you turn this tab gets pushed down, which is going to allow you to pull the navigation out of the car. And so let's see if I can do this with one hand. So one of the issues, so maybe you replace all the fuses, nothing works. I actually have a 2006 Cayman S where I was going to just swap the navigation unit in here and see what the heck's going on. So there's actually in the back of this, let's see if we can, there's actually a fuse in the back of the navigation, and this was blown for me. So right when I replaced this fuse, everything fired right up and everything works as normal. It's kind of nice when your only issue is just a $2 fuse and not, a $3,000 nav. So pretty much, there's videos on how to remove this paneling, but essentially what you do, if you've got the Bows, there's these little fins right here. You pull a little fin off. There's a little torque screw you pull out, and then there's 2 torque screws here that you want to do, and then you slide this panel out. It's the same on this side as well, and then you loosen these 4 5mm like hexes, but like I said, just like a 90-degree turn is all you need. This is not going to come out. It's not going to loosen out. So don't do what I did and break one of them. Maybe I can still use this, but we'll see. So I hope this helps. So there is a fuse in the back of the navigation. Good luck.